Welcome to Serious Software's e-commerce training series. In this video, we will be covering the options needed to set your storefront live. The first option we need to set up in order to turn our storefront live and start syncing with control is we need to think about what station any orders from e-commerce should be deposited into. Inside of your control environment, we're coming into production setup, and then we're navigating to stations on the left-hand side. In the middle column, you'll see all the active stations that are available currently in your storefront. While you can use a station already being used in the shop, we will recommend that you set up a station that is specific to online orders. Mostly just giving your sales staff or your CSR staff a chance to review the job coming in from the web before it goes into production or into pre-press. To create a new station here in control, we are going to create a new department here at the top of the middle column. You're going to give it a name. I would recommend something that references e-commerce or online, or maybe something about the specific storefront that this particular option is coming from. Now, bigger shops might have multiple cases for or multiple stations that they want to set up during this stage because each storefront goes to a different salesperson. That is, of course, up to you if it would help keep you straightforward, but you can also share a station if you would like. The main settings past the name that we need to fill in is we're going to say that it's an order level station, and we're going to say that this station is available for WIP orders. All orders coming in from e-commerce are going to be automatically entered into your WIP queue. From that point forward, you can decide if you're going to use this station in any other way, if you're going to use it in built-in sale, if you're going to use it to assign to line item stations. Can employees clock onto that station so that you can review their time spent? And do you want to see this station in the production app? Once you've defined any and all of those other statuses or options that you might want to use, we're going to click Save on the right-hand toolbar. That creates our station name inside of our database. Once we've set up our station, we will want to come into our admin panel and navigate to our storefront menu option. Then whichever storefront we're currently working on or setting live, we want to click it, open it to edit it, and we want to navigate to our integrations tab. Now on our integrations tab, there's going to be a toggle option between turning the order sync on or off. Normally this would be set to off by default, and you'll turn it on when you want live orders to start syncing to control. We don't want to turn this sync on too quickly. If you leave it off, then you can explore the website or even have your customer explore the website. Make sure that you can get to beginning to end. Everyone likes the workflow of the website before anything starts going into control. This is also where we'll set up our stations. So we created our online review station. If you look at our menu, this is all our active WIP stations from our database. So we'll choose which station we want all orders for this website to go to. If you are using line item stations, you have the ability to set your default line item station as well. However, be very cognizant of this if you're using line item stations. This is setting every line item to this starting station regardless of what product you're using in control. If you prefer to use your default line item stations from your products, then leave this option blank. Once we've defined our station and turned our sync on, we can save changes to save our changes to our storefront. And then our storefront is live. The next order that would go through on the storefront page will start syncing to your control environment. Before you send it to your customer, we would highly recommend doing some test orders on your own, just making sure that the products are mapping the way you want and that you are receiving any customizable artwork or file uploads, that you don't have any additional settings that need to be turned on either here in e-commerce or in your control environment. If you have any issues getting your storefront up and running, please remember under your help menu here, you do have your support request option to notify the team that you have some issues or some questions in getting your integration turned on. You can also email us at ecommerce@serious.com or jump on the e-commerce Q&A session for any additional questions you might have about integrating your software uh, with between e-commerce and control. Thank you for attending today's session and have a great day.